So this week was about ethics, and it went really well once again. Our team dynamic was very well. Again, we were texting about the project and updating Jackie on different information, putting our ideas together. This week, something that was a little different from our team dynamic was that we were all working on the project at kind of different times of the day. For example, Shanley texted this morning at 8 a.m. about the project. And then the other night, Jackie texted at about midnight, I would say, about the project. The thing with that was that there was at least one person available at those times that could talk to Jackie or Shanley about the project, which was awesome. So like I said last week, we knew ahead of time the positives and negatives about each of our teammates. So for example, I'd like to do the video, Jackie and Amanda like to do the paper, and Shanley likes to do the PowerPoint. And we took that into consideration last week, but this week we definitely mastered the skills. So about ethics, I really like Jackie's point of view with her article. She made a really good point that we are human, and the human part of ethics is maybe not understanding sometimes, which is okay. I like how she puts that in there because ethics is not black or white. It's basically like a gray area, which is something I learned in one of my criminal justice classes freshman year of my undergrad. One person's code of ethics could be different than another person's, which makes it really hard in a business setting because you work with tons of people. I really like Amanda's point of view on the ethics because it really goes a little bit deeper into business and ethics. Amanda says that unethical decisions can happen at all rankings. It could be a CEO making an unethical decision, or it could be just a bottom level employee that makes an unethical decision. It really happens across the board. So like last week, I think things that worked well was our communication in our organization. We really started our communication much earlier this week, which definitely helped. We kept a constant conversation about the project all week, which really helped us get our ideas out there, questions, concerns, and it also gave everyone time to answer the questions or concerns. Honestly, this week, I don't think anything didn't work well. I think everything that we did this week really worked well rather than didn't work well. So this week we're to talk about our TKI scores, and we all shared those in the group chat and shared what we thought was accurate or maybe wasn't so accurate with our TKI results. Amanda shared that her top two were accommodating and avoiding. Accommodating at 8 and avoiding at 8. And then it went down to competing, compromising, and collaborating, which she didn't think those numbers were quite accurate. Amanda thought that her two accurate results were accommodating and avoiding, both at 8. Shanley's top two were competing and compromising at a high 9 for both of those. Shanley didn't think that she would be at such a high number for the two of these. Jackie's top two were competing and avoiding. Competing at 12 and avoiding at 6. She said that she was not sure why, again, like Shanley, that her number was so high for competing because she's not one to really butt heads with someone. But she did say that if it's an assignment or project that she feels really passionate about, she's going to put her best effort in there. She's really going to voice her opinions because she wants those to be heard. As far as my TKI results go, I had a top of collaborating and competing at 8 and 6. All in all, I think that our TKI results really are accurate with the way that we work together. We're all great at collaborating and putting our ideas out there for each other, and sometimes I find myself changing my opinion on something because I read something that Jackie has wrote that she's passionate about, and it really shifted my ideas.